Parents, sons and daughters bound together in a decade-long fight for justice. In every one of these families there is a child with a deformity and a mother who claims that toxic chemicals brought the impairment about. And for most, the judgment marked a victory.
For me, it's just being there for my son, you know, trying to help him through it, and a lot of physiotherapy, hasn't it? He suffers with his foot, so he's going for a growth spurt, so he's in a lot of pain at the moment. Today's a good day, so he's walking all right today, but some days he struggles to walk.
I don't care about the money, it's just someone getting done for it.
I've never doubted that, you know, we weren't right. We had facts and we just had to prove them facts. And I think just the way the system is, it's terrible how you've got to fight for 11 years to prove something like this.
It was from the site of what was once a giant of industry in Corby that the contaminants which could have caused the defects emerged. When the British Steel plant closed in the 1980s, Corby Borough Council embarked on a massive reclamation programme, but the High Court said it was negligent in the way it managed the site and dealt with dangerous chemicals, unleashing what lawyers described as an atmospheric soup of toxic waste into the air, which pregnant women ingested.
Nearly 10 years ago, the district auditor said that the council had put public health at risk. At that point, the council failed to recognise the true position it was in. It failed to recognise that the claims being brought by the mothers for answers were legitimate. It made those mothers, those fathers, those children fight for 10 years, totally unnecessarily.
The council, which has spent millions fighting the case, could now face millions more in compensation claims. Today's decision paves the way for the families to pursue individual claims.
Mistakes were made, we accept that. What we find difficult to accept is that those mistakes led to these birth defects, and that's what we really need to find to our satisfaction. At that point we will apologise and we will look to compensate these families.
Each claimant will have to establish that their deformity, being missing fingers or webbed feet, was caused by chemicals negligently released by the council. The cases could take years yet to resolve, but lawyers insist this is still a landmark moment, which could have massive implications for industry way beyond the Northamptonshire site.